I'm based in Canada, and that means that I cannot access the USA Peacock channel. This is NBC's online channel that shows additional content, but I can't access it from Canada. It's available to the US only. So you'll notice here when I type into Google USA Peacock channel, you'll see the first result comes up and it says peacocktv.com. Perfect. So I'm going to click on that and let's see what populates in the website address bar. Is it going to be Peacock TV? No. It instead goes to NBC Universal. Because I'm in Canada, I'm not able to access that website. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a VPN through Mozilla Firefox so you can actually access that or any website you'd like by changing the location of your computer through a VPN. Let's jump in. So the VPN that I'll be using is called Sand VPN, and I'm just showing you the website to show you that it's a legitimate website. I'm not affiliated with this in any way. I'm going to be using the Mozilla extension, and it's completely free to use. There's some free options in there, and there's some paid options. In this video, I'll just be using the free options. Okay, so here's how you access your extensions. So in Mozilla Firefox, you're going to go up here to the right-hand side, top right-hand side. It's called a hamburger menu. It's 3 horizontal lines. I'm going to click on it, and you're going to see a menu come up. And from here, you're going to look for extensions and themes. It's right here. From here, you can have recommendations, extensions, themes. I'm going to make sure I'm clicking on extensions. And then here are the extensions that I have currently installed inside of my Firefox browser. And I can turn these on and off, or I can click on them to learn more about them. So here is the Sand VPN one. This is the details. It shows you exactly how it works. And it's got a couple basic settings down below. I'll click the little back button to get back out. So if you have this already installed, you just make sure that this is on. If you don't have this installed, then you'll go up here to the top and under search add-ons, I'll type in Sand VPN and you'll see a few different VPNs pop up. This is the first one here, VPN. There's the little logo. When you click on it, you're going to see here it says Sand VPN. Now I have it installed already, so I would click remove, but here you would click to add it in. And then you would just install it into your Mozilla browser. Okay, now once you've got it installed, then you're going to go up here to this little jigsaw puzzle at the top. So I'm just on my main website and I'm going to go up here to the little jigsaw puzzle and click it, and you'll see my extensions that I have. And I also have an option here to manage my extensions. In this case, I'm just going to click on Sand VPN Open Extension. And you'll see here, this little window comes up. Now it's going to give you some options here to go to the paid content. I'm not using any of that. All of this is free. You'll see it says free right here. And what I'm going to do is click this connect button. When I click the connect button, it's looking for a different location than where I'm at. And you'll see here now, it's just defaulted to USA Los Angeles. It's giving me a new IP address. And now it's as if my computer is located in the United States. To disconnect, just simply click the big disconnect button. And now I'm back in Canada, so to speak. My computer's no longer routing through VPN. You do have some other options way down at the bottom. You've got connect locations. And you can see here, if I click locations, I've got a bunch of locations here. Now I'm under all, and there's premium options, and then there's free options. So I'm going to click the free options, and you'll see that there's a few different USA options, France, Germany, and the UK, and a couple more US. That's all I've got. But that's okay. I don't really care. I just need to be outside of Canada for my purposes. So I'm going to click, for example, USA Chicago. And when I click that, you'll see it's now connecting. And now I'm located in Chicago as far as the internet's concerned. So let's try this again now. I'm going to go up to Google, and now I'm going to search for USA Peacock channel, same as before. The first result comes up, peacocktv.com. Let's click on it. And we'll see here, thanks to the magic of VPN, I'm able to get into peacocktv.com. The computer is showing that I'm based in the US, and therefore I'm allowed in. It's a useful tool to have for a number of reasons. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.